Hello everybody, today we're going to be making one of the main salads my mom makes, which is California salad. Apparently, so if we made this in Jordan, then it'd be called Jordanian salad, so don't take the name to heart. But first we're going to add lettuce and red cabbage, just chopping it a little bit thick. You're also going to add green cabbage, cucumber. This is actually very satisfying. Tomato, cherry tomatoes, to be exact. You can also use normal tomatoes, I guess, but cherry tomatoes give a certain sweetness. And red onion. She also likes to add some radish. And beets. These are very healthy for you. I don't know why. My grandma just always says these are very healthy for me. What do they have, I wonder? But yeah, make sure this is extra fine because no one wants too much of this in one bite. It's just nice for a little extra something, you know? And now you're going to add some green onion, some garlic, and some parsley. We actually grow this mint in our backyard, so it's really good. And she adds some of that, and some sun-dried tomatoes, some avocados. Did you know avocados are known as a delicacy in some countries, like a dessert? Isn't that funny that we use it for something healthy, not a dessert? Anyway, she likes to top with some seeds, some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and goji berries as well. Oh, and chia seeds. Wow, everything's going in here. We're becoming birds at this point. Now we're going to add some salt, which is probably like the one spice every salad needs, a little bit of lemon, some apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and you're set. Just mix it so much, and then you're good. Happy salading. We hope you enjoy. Bye!